Hi, it's Tony talking CarBiz. This video is to answer a question from one of my subscribers. So here we are. Mar asked the question of why does this one have dials and buttons and the other reviews in Toyota's websites have none of these. So he's referring to my video on the Toyota Venza, the 2020 Toyota Venza XLE. And to answer the question, let's go ahead and bring up the Toyota website. So here I am on Toyota.com looking at the 2021 Toyota Venza XLE. The standard Venza XLE comes with a cloth interior. And there's three package upgrades for the XLE. SoftTech package, which gives you the SoftTech interior. If you look here, SoftTech interior, and then there's the premium audio with dynamic navigation and JBL, and then there's the premium audio with dynamic navigation and SoftTech package. So the third package is the combination of these two packages. Now the one I reviewed, because it only had the SoftTech package, which is kind of that faux leather, if you will, that one, the interior would look just like this interior right here. So this vehicle right here is an XLE. You can see it has the SoftTech seats and it has the dials and the buttons. So that's going to be your standard heating and air conditioning controls on the XLE. Now, if you want the virtual buttons, you need to move up to the premium audio with dynamic navigation and JBL. And if you click right here and view the details, you'll see it says includes 12.3 touchscreen with intelligent touch capacitive controls. So that's those virtual controls that you see in most of the reviews and you see on the Toyota website. So that's the difference between the standard gauges or standard dials and buttons on the XLE with the SoftTech versus XLE with the premium audio or the premium audio with SoftTech package. Hope you found this video helpful.